Hi, long time ago I bought this very cheap electronic microscope. It's not perfect, but it's better than nothing. I have one problem with that. The power supply that came with this, it's not working. I connected this to the other power supply and it works fine, so that means that this is broken and I'm gonna try to fix this. I wanna learn electronics, so this is a good opportunity to learn something new. So I hope you like this video. First, let's see what is the problem. I will take the original power supply. I will connect it to the power. Now I will connect the power supply to the camera, and you can see nothing happened. The LED is off. But when I switch the power supply and I will use this one, connect, now you can see, I don't know if you can see, the LED is on. When I turn on the microscope, you can see here is the battery indicator and it's showing the microscope is charging. Again, when I use this power supply and I connect, I turn on, there is no indicator that the microscope is charging, so this power supply is not working. So I will try to fix this. I hope I will do this. First thing I noticed that the USB, I think it's not sitting correctly inside the port. It's wobbling. I think probably the USB is bad, because when I put it inside here, that's really tight and sitting pretty good, and it's even harder to pull off than this one. It's pretty loose in here, so maybe USB is a problem. Now let's take this apart. So I will take the flat screwdriver and I will try to open this. I don't care if I damage a little bit the casing, because it's mine, it's not for customer. So okay, okay, it's opened right now. So we have something like this. see if something obvious is going on here. I don't see anything bad. Here we don't have anything. The USB is looking pretty good. It sits really good. It's not moving. Okay. Okay, so now the power supply is open. Let's check if we have 5 volts on the USB port. Turn on. Voltage DC. Let's check the ground is here. Let's see. No. We don't have basically any voltage on the USB port. Okay. So let's check. Let's check our capacitor. Let's see the voltage on the big capacitor. We have 10 volts, 9.7 volts on the capacitor. We get voltage here, 200. So this is going here, and this is going through the resistor here. So also here should be. Now we have only 10 volts here. I have to check this resistor. Okay, so let's measure the resistance of this resistor. We don't get any reading, so this resistor is broken. This resistor is working as a fuse, and it is blown. If I replace this resistor, the power supply should work, I think. We will see. Okay, so now we will take out this resistor. Let's move it. I will take this. Okay. How I can put this. Resistor is on this side, like this. Like this. Okay, this should work. Okay, I will apply a little bit of flux, and just tiny bit. Okay, I will zoom in. Okay, here we have our resistor. We'll take the tweezers and let's take this out. Okay. Now okay, now let's clean the holes. I will take this like rotate this. I have too small vise for that. I don't know how to hold this. It's a shame. Okay, just a little bit. I hope it will be good enough. Okay, a little more flux here. Let's clean the holes. Okay, like this. Let's see if we have clean holes. Yes, this should be good enough. Okay, so I have the resistor for replacement, and again, this is not ordinary resistor, this is the fuse resistor. I zoom in and let's place it in the holes. Something like that. It was like that. Okay, soldering iron, and let's solder this. Second one. This should be okay. Let's see if everything is okay. Yes, I think this looks good. Now let's cut off the wires. Okay. It's okay. Okay, let's clean this a little bit. this is looking pretty good. Now let's check the connection with multimeter. This wire should connect with this. Okay. We have connection, and even let's check with this. Okay, so everything should work properly. At this stage I had a small problem because I wasn't sure how to safely test this power supply. It runs directly from 240 volts AC. I found instructions saying that I should use something like this. An incandescent light bulb connected in series with an extension cord. Basically, what it is, this is an simple extension cord. I cut one wire and I connected the light bulb to it. It's important that this is a filament bulb. It cannot be an LED bulb. I'm still not 100% sure if this will work, but the idea is simple. If there is a short circuit in the power supply, the bulb will light up and limit the current, which should prevent future damage. If the power supply is working correctly and there is no short, the bulb should stay off, or at most glow very faintly. Okay, so let's connect everything. Here is my power. This is my setup extension cord. Okay, and let's see. Now let's connect the power supply, and let's see. The light doesn't turn on, so maybe it is working or nothing is working. I want to make sure if I have voltage here. So let's take the multimeter. Let's use the voltage here. Why are you? Oh, here. Huh. Okay, let's see here. Second one. Yes, we have voltage here. So we should also have voltage in here. I have to turn this around and see here. Yes. Okay. Let's see now the voltage on the capacitor. Oh, not AC. DC. We have to measure here. Where this was? Here. Okay. This looks a lot better. Let's see now the USB port. If we have voltage now on the USB, oh no, oh, there we have 5 volts. So maybe this is working right now. Okay, so disconnect this. It looks like it did work. I don't know if this will work, if we will have the short on the circuit, but it looks like the power supply is working and the bulb didn't light up, so maybe this is a legit technique to do. Okay, let's take this out. And now I think we can put this back together and see if this power supply, this charger, will work. Okay, here I have cover, USB is here, so this was like that. Okay, so it has to be like that. Okay. Okay. Now we can check the moment of truth. If we actually did fix this. Okay, where is my microscope? Here I have my microscope. I will take this out from the stand. Okay, this is my microscope. Where is the wire? Okay, I have the wire. Let's connect this here. The power. And let's see if this will work or it will destroy my microscope. Oh, light is on. You can see light is on. Let's turn on the microscope. Okay, we have the charging indicator. So I did it, but still I don't like the way the USB is sitting in the port. You can see, but the power supply is okay. Good.